Welcome to another Moroccan vlog. Enjoy! Hi guys, good morning. So today we are going to the desert and we are on our first stop. And yeah, it's like this is where you stop first as you continue, and it's not so beautiful, but okay, it has some landscape and a short hotel. Hi guys, this is the second stop and it's just near the Atlas Mountain. The snow and I tell you guys. We're at another stop, and on this stop some movies are commonly acted. Show you. The Africans are sleeping on Morocco, guys. Yeah. Sleeping. Guys, welcome back to this channel. This is a continuation of my other vlog, and I'm back to Marrakech, and so I'm going to continue how I'm going to spend my last week in Morocco. So if you've not checked out the other vlog, please go and check it out. Please subscribe, show some love, and spread the love. Anyway, I'm done with showering. I just arrived like 2 hours ago. It's been 2 hours ago. I was having my bath. It's been a long travel from Essaouira, then now coming back to Marrakech. This is where I'm going to spend my last days before I go back to Casablanca and then it's back to my country. It's been fun and it's been really good. I know I'm going to be ranting a few, and yeah, let me just give you a breakdown of what has been going on. Please subscribe. Thank you. Also, for Essaouira, it wasn't all that because of the weather. The weather was varying. One day we have sunshine, the next day it's just raining, cloudy. So I didn't get to vlog much. All I can say, it's a beautiful city and the people are good. The Medina is so subtle. I think I'll post it on my Instagram so that you guys can have a taste of it, or maybe TikTok. Then yeah, that's all for Essaouira. I loved the fish, the seafood, amazing. So let me take you through Marrakech for the last week and how I'll be spending it. Stay tuned, guys. So we're out for the horse rides today. Don't mind my look, it's just a finished look, just that you never know it's Morocco. You can leave your house nani baridi kupata order. Now we have to take a new one. Actually raining, but I don't know, I feel like I just have to do this shopping today because the weather still will be this bad tomorrow. The weather is not, it's like raining. Sijui kama the people I'm going to do this for will do this for me. Anyway, let's go to the Medina. guys, I know it's not a very good day to show you the bucket, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so we're out of the Medina for a while. Kweli mimi nimepotea. Hi guys, so we are having breakfast and I'm going to show you breakfast in this restaurant where we are fruits, you get the plates, all these are nuts. Oh, just continue, it's YouTube. Get vegetables, scrambled eggs, and I don't know what this is, man. And then there's more options like and there's Layla. It's a nice song. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Thank you. Hi guys, good morning to this very confused vlog. Anyway, before I leave. And yeah, it's been a long flight, but just thank God. Anyway, back to the good things. It's kind of dark, but I'm gonna show you. Like you pass the roads, past the road to your fast. Like it's so close. The airport is just there. If it's a fence, you just cut across. I'm in, yeah, suitcases. Zangu zilishaingia. Everything. Carried it from me. Fix the light. There, the room, my bag, my other bag. Let us start with the bathroom. It looks good for the night. The mirror, washroom. I love the way they're generous with towels, honestly. In the court it was quite fun. Yeah, I opened the window for some fresh air. As you can see, the airport is just across. Then the bed, guys, the bed. I have water. There's another seat and a small TV there. Meka zangu. So let me rest. Yeah, let me now rest and see what else I can do. No, mimi nimeshinda kukaa kwa hiyo room, so I'm going to take you through a slow day in Casablanca, slow evening in Casablanca. It's like 5 huko. 5:30 naelekea 6. Bado Jeko on. So let's see what it's into. It's like Israel is here, guys. Technically the last day I'm in Morocco and it's been a blast. Guys, my hotel is so beautiful. Like really, it's stunning. You're looking for your friend. I forgot to show you the restaurant I was in. So beautiful. Just arrived at the airport. It's going to be a long process. I'll see you later on. Let me just keep up with the vlog. Being in an airport is a miracle. Tell me why. It has taken me 2 hours.